Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to sign up into your Fitbit account. For that, just go and open your app and now give them permissions, and now it will ask you to how you wanna sign in. Just choose one of these options. I'll choose to sign in with my Google because that is a lot easier, and tap on continue with your Gmail if you are using that, and tap on continue as new user and read all these, and tap on this tick button and tap on agree and continue only after reading it. Now you need to tell them what's your weight, then select your height. Now you have to tell them what's your sex and tap on save and continue button, then tap on continue button, and you have to read all these and tap on agree and continue after readings. And they will ask you to give these notification. If you want a notification from them, just tap on that button, and if you want, and they will ask you what would you like to do. Just use this app, or you can also set up a device and choose your options and tap on I agree button and then on continue button and allow these permissions and tap on done button, and they will show you their subscription plan and you can take it and subscribe. And you can also simply tap on this cross button to use the free version, and that is how you can sign up into your Fitbit account. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.